Good morning, students. Let's complete the exercise of the chapter Attila. So, the first one is reading. On the basis of your understanding of the story, take the suitable answer. The choice of names for the puppy suggested that the family expected it to be ferocious. So, the option is expected it to be ferocious. Next, he would behave as if he was sorry for even giving an idea of violence. This shows that the dog was gentle. Okay? Attila followed a burglar to make friends. Clear? Now, let's start with the idioms. Hold your horses till you hear the whole story. It's not wise to jump to the conclusions. What does it mean? Hold your horses means have patience. Think about it. Okay. Then come to the conclusions. Okay. Don't jump to the conclusion without hearing all the facts. Clear? So think clearly, then reach to the conclusion. Hold your horses means have patience. Don't put the cart before the horse. First finish school and then talk of being a good professional. Means to do the things in order. Clear? First of all, you have to complete your studies. Only then you will be able to do other work. If you want to do job, if you want to do any business, okay, anything. But first of all, you have to complete your studies. Clear? So you have to do things in orders. So it means the put the cart before the horse. My neighbor is like a bull in a china shop. So what does it mean? Like a bull in a china shop means a person who is very careless and he breaks things. Okay, out of his carelessness. He's always knocking over and breaking a lot of our things. Okay, it is evident, it is clear from this sentence. Next, the mother was furious to see the children monkeying around. Monkeying around means to waste time in the living room. So mother was very angry when she saw that her children they were wasting time. Tell the students that in case they don't complete their work, they'll have to stay back. That should be set the cat among the pigeons. Means, for example, if you are asked to complete your homework after school hours, how would you feel? You will feel very awkward because you have to be alone, you have to sit alone among all the teachers. It means that the same thing, set the cat among the pigeons means a very dangerous situation, very awkward situation. In a new culture and with new people, Amisha felt like a fish out of water. Fish out of water means not comfortable. Okay, like in this case, Amisha, she came from different culture. When she mingled with some other people, so she found it really hard. She found it really awkward to mingle with the people. Okay, so this is called fish out of water. Then we have synonyms and antonyms. So smoothly. So first one is efficiently and effortlessly. So we have two synonyms and one is antonym, that is awkwardly. Oddity. Oddity means very strangeness, means peculiarity, means strangeness, like we can see. Normality, so which is not strange, that is called normality. Persuade, to ask someone to do something, ठीक है ना, persuade, to convince, influence. Okay, the opposite is dissuade. Lounge. Lounge means laze, to laze about means not to do anything, don't feel like doing anything, relax. Okay, so we have two synonyms. And one is slog. Slog means to work really hard. Slog means to work hard. Swarming, in a large amount or quantity. Crowding, flocking. Okay, so z desert, it means nothing at all, that is called deserted. Clear? So this is an exercise that you have to do in your book with pencils. Okay, thank you so much, have a nice time.